What if robots could adapt, learn, and repair themselves in real time? Vestavio's Quantum-Nano enhanced robotic intelligence system is designed to do just that, setting a new standard for general-purpose robotics. At the heart of our system is the Quantum-Nano adaptive learning module. Combining quantum computing with nanotechnology, this module allows our robots to continuously learn and adapt in any environment. Our multidimensional interaction framework allows robots to transition effortlessly between industrial, domestic, and even virtual environments, thanks to quantum-enhanced sensor fusion and advanced contextual awareness. Imagine controlling a robot with just your thoughts. Our enhanced human-robot interaction interface makes this possible, integrating telepathy-based control, natural language processing, and holographic displays for seamless interaction. Durability is key. Our self-repairing nanostructures ensure that the system can detect and fix any damage at the molecular level, minimizing downtime and extending the robot's operational life. Vestavio's Quantum-Nano enhanced robotic intelligence system is more than just a robot. It's the future of intelligent, adaptable, and durable technology. Visit our website to explore how we're redefining robotics. Let's shape the future together.